Hi. Is your Chrome browser overloaded? Do you have too many tabs open? That will cause your computer to lag and slow down. Do you want to refresh the website of this Chrome tab? We have a solution for you which will help you save a lot of time. This application will help you to schedule and reload the tab, and it's handy because it will work on any web page right in your browser. Firstly, go to our website, which is located in the YouTube description link. Click on the Install button. You will be brought to the Chrome Web Store to begin installation. After installing the software, click on the software icon at the top right of the browser. Choose the duration of time to pass before you want the page to reload. To cancel tab reload, you can stop all previous timer tabs in the settings. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.